Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we are diving into the world of automotive technology with the best wireless car backup camera available, the Magnetic Wireless Backup Camera Solar from Yakry. The Magnetic Wireless Backup Camera Solar is a game-changer in the world of backup cameras. It features a 7-inch monitor with recording capabilities, making it easier than ever to navigate tight spots and reverse with confidence. This system is 100% wireless, with a magnetic bracket for easy installation in just 1 minute. One of the standout features of the Yakry Y01 is its solar panel power and USB charging capabilities. The system is designed with a large capacity battery that can be easily recharged using solar energy or a USB cable. This means you can keep your backup camera charged and ready to go, even on cloudy days. The Yakry Y01 utilizes 2.4G digital technology for a stable signal and enhanced transmission range. With a 170 degrees wide view HD 1080p image quality, you'll have crystal clear visuals during both day and night. Plus, the system supports dual video input, allowing you to add a second backup camera for even more monitoring capabilities. This backup camera system comes packed with smart features, including one-touch wake-up and shutdown with customizable timeframes, as well as DVR recording capabilities. The 7-inch monitor automatically turns off to protect the screen when not in use, and the system supports video recording for added security. In conclusion, the Magnetic Wireless Backup Camera Solar from Yakry is a must-have for any vehicle owner looking to enhance their driving experience. With easy installation, solar-powered capabilities, and a range of smart features, this backup camera is truly the best in its class. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.